This is one of those bump head string trimmer attachments. When it's running, you pump it, and the way you attach the string, you should line up this line, and you're going to push the string in. It's just going to come out the other side. You're going to twist it. But when you look at this thing, when the string goes in and it comes around, it's going to hit this little groove here, and that makes it pop out to the other hole. So that means when we line this up, so when it's lined up, these arrows, make sure you're pushing up on the bottom all the way, and you just push that string in. Comes right out the other side. And you want to make sure the strings are about even. So go ahead and grab them, even it out, about right there, and then we just turn this. You can see right here it says load spool. Turn it to this direction. So just let it loosen up a little bit here. It takes that string out. Keep your finger on here so it doesn't pop out. If you get too much, just back it out a little bit and pull on both of them. Alright, I'm going to push that spring back up in there. I'm going to hold this aligned still, and these little clips go inside of these open holes, and it pops right in there. There you go. Snapped in. When that thing is spinning fast and you pop the ground, makes the string come out some.